Alright, please take note. Okay, so as we know in the architectural design, right, we have three main activities. Okay, the three main activities is the system organization. So which we have talked about the client or the repository or that. Okay, the next one is the modular decomposition. And the third activity is the control model. Okay, so under the control model we have a two. Okay, we have a two sub models. Okay, which we call as a centralized control model and event-based control model. Okay, so under the centralized control model, we have a two sub models, which we call as the call written model and also manager model. Okay, so the call written model is where which this model, okay, so we'll do the subroutine from the up to down. Okay, the best example I can give you that day I have given you, for example, you have the payment, right? So you have a payment module. So inside the payment module, you have a sub module. So which is you have the payment options, and then you have a generate invoice or receipt. Okay, so in here, from when you have to choose the payment module, which is the top. From the payment module, so you go to the sub module, which is the payment options. Once you do the payment options, once you have made the payment only, so it will generate the, you can go to the next process, which is it will generate the receipt. Understand? If you never complete this, you cannot go to this part. Okay, so you can see the connectivity. Okay, so all the sub modules has connected with each other. So when you do this, but when you go to this module, if you want to make, okay, if you want the item to be chairs, so you have to go to the payment module. Click to the payment module. So inside the payment modules, you have to go to the sub module called payment option. So once you already make the payment, once you already make the payment only, so it will generate the invoice. Okay, so this is what we call a core written module. So which you can see has top-down subroutine architecture where controls start at the top, subroutine hierarchy, and then move downwards. Understand? Okay. The next one is the manager module. The manager module is very suitable if you have a concurrent system. That means you have, for example, you have a centralized printer. Okay, a centralized printer and systems. So which concurrently is using by many people. You understand or not? So this is totally two different things. Two different things. Okay, understand? Okay, so which one system is used by many people at the same time. Okay, so you can see the concurrent system. Understand? So this is about the core written and manager model. Okay, then we have an event base. Okay, event base means we have a specific time. Okay, for you to complete the task. Okay, so in here under the event base we have two sub modules, so which is a broadcast and also interrupt. Okay, so the broadcast which I can give you the example is our intranet. Okay, once you log into our intranet, okay, then you have so much of the class timetable, all those stuff, right? So when you click to the class timetable, okay, and then after that you're not performing anything, okay, a few minutes. Okay, if you want to still want to view the class, so the time is finished already, then you have to go back again to the login part, right? Isn't it? When the certain time, the expiry, the time is expired, so you have to go back to the initial process, which is you have to log in back, right? Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that is called as a broadcast model. Okay, which you can see the event-based model where any subsystem is designed to handle that event. You understand? Okay, so all this we have a time frame. We have a time frame. Okay, the next one is interrupt driven model. Interrupt driven model can be used in a real-time system. Okay, so especially this one is, let's say, it can be found in manufacturing system, like a fault tolerant system. Okay, this is applicable for the fault tolerance. Okay, fault tolerance system. You know what is fault tolerance system? If one, okay, for example, you have many modules, okay, many sub-modules, okay. If one module, actually these three, yeah, okay, actually these three modules are doing job, one job, assuming, okay, sharing data, okay, sharing data. For example, one of the server A doesn't work, suddenly it's corrupted or something. So you have an alternate server B, okay, which it still can do the task. It still can share the data. Understand? If let's say if this also is corrupted, you still have that option is option C, server C, which it still do the same function. Understand? So this is what called as a fault tolerant. If one machine or one service doesn't work, you have a duplicate or you have an alternate. So which can perform the same operation. Understand? So as you can see here, okay, where an interrupt handler detect the external interrupts, so they pass to some other components. To complete the task. Understand? Okay? So this is what I wanted to explain in the tutorial. Okay? So please take note. Alright, okay, so you can start answer your tutorial 6 now. Okay, so this is under the control model. We have a 3 activity, system organization, and then we have a decomposition, and then class model. Sorry, control model. So this is under the control model. Okay. Can you read my Can you read my writing? Can. Interrupt driven model used in real-time system where an interrupt handler detect external interrupt. Detect. They pass to some other components. Okay, they pass to some other components to complete the task or the process. Okay. How many of you really jot down this notes? How many of you take photo?
Take video. Take video. I take now.
Take photo is Okay, so for the part 3, right, you have the test case, test case. I will share the template, okay, the test case template. So you can use the test case, okay, for your assignment. Okay. When is your next semester start? July, is it? Or June end?
July.
July first week.
July second week.
July second week.
I don't know.
You just guessing, is it?
Yes. No need start.
Then you want to have 1 year break. Is it?
I already went 2 years.
No need to break lah. Just totally quit and go.
Yeah, straightforward, get the easier.
July entry, the 3rd July.
Oh, that means first week lah. Why your face suddenly look like okay?
No, holiday.
Why no holiday? When is your exam finish?
7月3号
When does your exam start?
I don't know.
But we every time finish at the last.
I think you will have 2 weeks break, right? After your exam. If I'm not mistaken. Why? 2 weeks break not enough?
I will just start from
At least 1 month, you need to work.
1 month is too much. If we have a long break, then it will drag for you to complete the course.
yes.
If
Yeah.
you have a short break, then you can quickly complete the course.
Probably university. Local university.
Local university different case now. Okay? So but I prefer short break and finish it very fast. Okay, is there any of your friends absent today? Except Abdullah, Fahim, right?
No?
Hey, why you didn't come for the practical? Why? Because Ramadan you got no energy.
Today all present.
Today all present.
Yeah. At the tutorial class.
So far we are week 9, week 8. 5 more weeks to go.
Miss final cover chapter 5 to end.
No lah.
No,
No final lah. Wait.
not final.
It's not MPU subject. MPU subject, no final. Okay, so I think your timetable also reflected, right? Raya replacement is falls on Monday. Monday. Isn't it?
Either.
So Monday we don't have class, but we have to replace.
Online.
No online.
Why?
No more online.
No.
Even our meeting also everything now physical already.
Our class will not complete.
Not to say complain or not complain, it cannot have any online. But we'll think about it that when we can have this class. not a word.
No, I mean
Centralized system.